Alright, we're getting this wrapped up today. I've already got it flipped over. I already took the baffle pans off, the oil pan off. So we need to pull the timing components off, the cylinder head, and crankshaft. And yeah, so I found some interesting things already. So let's get into it. I just wanted to stop here real quick and explain to you what I just did and what I still have yet to do. So you would have just seen me break off the head bolts, and then after I broke them off I used an impactor to drive them out. And the sequence in order to do that is you start from the outside, work your way in a circular pattern. So I started at the very back side, which would be 14, 13, moved to the front, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 in the middle. So it's the reverse of installation, obviously. So, and then don't forget as well, once you remove those head bolts, you still have to, there's a couple of sneaky little bolts. So we have one here in the front that needs to be removed, and then there's two in the back right here. So two little ones. So don't forget to remove those, otherwise you're going to be trying to figure out, struggle why your head's not coming off. Alright, you just saw me remove the cylinder head. From here, you can see I already have the baffles and oil pickup removed already. So from here, we're going to remove the main bearing cap assembly and then start to disconnect the connecting rods, start dropping the pistons out, and getting this thing stripped bare. So let's get back at it. I just finished pulling all the pistons out, and as you can see, the bearing for piston number 3 has seen better days. If we come over here to the crankshaft, you'll see it's pretty damaged as well, and yeah, not reusable, which is fine. This was a Series 1 RB26. This is a short nose crank. I have a long nose crank I'm going to use instead. That's on the good motor, so not the end of the world, not a big deal. So let's go ahead and finish breaking this down and pull the crankshaft out, and let's get it done. Alright, if you guys made it this far, I appreciate you for watching. As you can see, we're already done. All the pistons are out, crankshaft's out. In the next series of videos, I'm going to pull the second RB out and get it on the stand and get it cleaned up, painted, and we're going to start piecing it back together. So, again, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.